Can oil cause engine knocking? Have you ever wondered if the oil in your motorcycle could be the reason behind that unsettling knocking noise? Let's break it down and find out. Engine knocking is often linked to improper combustion, where the fuel-air mixture ignites unevenly or too soon. This leads to that annoying knocking or pinging sound you might hear while riding. While oil itself is not the main culprit behind combustion knock, it does play a significant role in your engine's overall health. If your oil is old, degraded, or if you have low oil levels, it can lead to increased friction and overheating. This excessive heat can create conditions that might contribute to knocking sounds. Running your motorcycle with low oil can also cause mechanical knocking noises. This happens due to increased wear on engine components like bearings and pistons. It's important to note that this mechanical knock is different from combustion knock, but it can easily be mistaken for it. Using the wrong type or grade of oil can also affect how your engine performs. While oil does not directly cause combustion knock, poor lubrication can lead to engine stress and noises that sound like knocking. To keep your motorcycle running smoothly, it's essential to maintain proper oil levels and quality. Always use the correct oil grade recommended for your motorcycle. Checking the fuel quality and octane rating is also vital, as low-octane fuel is a common cause of combustion knock. Additionally, ensure that your ignition timing and engine tuning are correct. If you still hear knocking after addressing the oil and fuel, it might be time to have a mechanic inspect your engine for any internal damage or timing issues. Maintaining your oil health is key to protecting your motorcycle engine from damage that could lead to knocking noises. Remember, while oil itself does not cause engine knocking, poor oil condition or insufficient oil can lead to issues that might produce those unwanted sounds.